It's all about believing and creating everything we always dreamed of and make it a reality. It's a beautiful process if we want to trust the honest work of co-creation. Less drama, making my dreams come true. Back to love and compassion. Integrating, shining, vibing, living, walking, dancing, choosing who we can be. It's our birthright as human beings. Here, now, on planet Earth, present, in consciousness, alive, in a world that's big, magnificent. We are so much more. The link between the sky and the earth is us, human beings, feeling, exploring, expanding. That's why we're here, taking steps forward, trusting, elevating, opening and shining, living the experience of life with an open heart, feeling ourselves and others. Remembering that we are so much more.